Let's talk about motivation, the ever elusive writing muse. Sometimes she's nowhere to be found. Other times, she blesses you with crazy levels of inspiration. If inspiration comes naturally to you, I am so happy for you. I hope you realize how blessed you are. Meanwhile, if you find yourself lagging, there is hope for you. I'm going to be brutally honest with you right now. If I only wrote when I felt inspired, I would never get anything done. Seriously. At this stage in my writing career, I don't look forward to writing. Make no mistake. At the end of the day, I am happy to have written. But during the actual writing session, I am counting down the words until I can close my word processor. I cannot wait to get done with my writing. Frankly, every day is a struggle. Now, I realize that I'm probably an extreme example, but the fact is that all authors have down days. Sometimes the words just don't come easily. I just want you to know that you aren't alone. Writing isn't always going to be fun. There are times when it's an absolute drag. Here's the thing though. Whether you're feeling inspired or not, the words still need to get written. One of the things that separates amateurs from professionals is the ability to get work done even when you don't feel like it, even when you'd rather be doing anything else. Your readers don't care if you're bogged down. They just want a good story. If you can't provide them with one, they will go elsewhere. That leads me to an important question. How do you get the work done when you're not feeling motivated? It's all about mental tricks. Start out small. Sit down in front of your computer, open up your word processor, and take as much pressure off of yourself as possible. Tell yourself that you're just going to write one sentence. Just one. You can do that. It's simple. Just a few words. Once you get that done, write a few more. An entire paragraph. If that's not so bad, keep going. Maybe you write 2 paragraphs or 3. Before you know it, you might find yourself getting into the flow. Perhaps your brain just forgets how uninspired you were before. Now let's say that doesn't work. You find yourself mindlessly staring at the screen. No words come to you. Even one sentence is too much of a struggle. I've been there before. Now, rather than just continuing to get nowhere, do something counterintuitive. Get up, walk around, maybe leave your house. Sometimes getting some fresh air can really help. Other times, a quick little drive around the neighborhood can get you going. Motion can really help get the creative juices flowing, especially if you're surrounded by quiet. Do not underestimate the combination of motion, silence, and an empty mind. Another option is to start doing a mindless chore, like emptying the dishwasher or vacuuming. On occasion, if I'm stuck, I'll take a shower. If all of those options fail, I still don't give up. Instead, I just do things the hard way. I sit myself back down in front of my computer screen and stare at my word processor. And I don't look away. At that point, I force myself to write. When this happens, I know it's going to be a long day. Every sentence might feel like agony to write, but I still find a way to get something down on the screen. Even if it isn't good. Even if I'll end up revisiting it all later and end up cutting it even. I want to train my brain to find a way to get the work done, regardless of my motivation level. Sometimes these tactics work like a charm. Other times, I only get a few hundred words written. But in the end, every sentence gets me closer to the finish line. And that's what matters most. Now, before you go, I want to tell you about a mini guide that I'm giving away for free. It's called The Top Mistakes That Self-Publishers Make. You can get your copy now by clicking the link in the description of this video. Download your copy now.